In today's video, I want to explain the concept of PIP in the Forex market. So many people are confused when they hear the word PIP, P-I-P. So if you are one of those, then watch this video to the end as I will take time to explain every detail you need to know about a PIP in the Forex market. So PIP simply means price in points. It is like the steps that price takes to move up to a height, or the steps that price takes to move down to a depth. In other words, PIP is the step-by-step movement of price to either rise or to fall. So if price is going to rise, it's going to rise by points. 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points, 5 points, 10 points, 100 points, up to whatever price level it's going to get to. And if price is going to fall, it's still going to fall by points. 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points, 10 points, 20 points, 50 points down. So those step-by-step move that price makes to either go down or move up is what we call PIP. That is price in points. So when you see a Forex quote like what we're having right now, you get the currency pair, you get the bid price, and you get the ask price. So now let's explain how to calculate your pips. So when you look at this currency pair and you see this bid price, you can see that the price is in 4 decimal places. The 5th decimal place is a tiny number. There is an index number, and that is called a pipette. So that pipette is 1/10 of a pip. If your broker offers a 5 decimal places quote like this, that means the 5th one is a pipette, so it is 1/10 of a pip. That is 1 pip divided by 10. Coming to this Euro USD quote, you have 1.0815 as your bid price. Our unit PIP is in this 4th decimal place. So let's say that this price moves from this 1.0815 to 1.0820. You will say that Euro USD has appreciated about 5 pips. 1.0820 minus 1.0815. That is 5 pips. I intentionally overlooked this pipette so that I don't cause any confusion to those who are still struggling to learn this. So another example, if this price moves from 1.0815 to 1.0810, that means the price has dropped 5 pips below the current price. That is 1.0815 minus 1.0811. So once you subtract it, you get 5 pips. So that is how you calculate your pips. Alright, so let's include our pipette, the 5th decimal place, in our calculation. So if, for instance, the price moves from this 1.08152 to 1.08355, for instance, in that case, we'll say that the price has moved off by 20 pips, 3 pipettes. So that is how you can calculate your pip, including your pipette. So let's go to another example of USD JPY that has just 2 decimal places, excluding the pipettes. But when we include the pipettes, we can say we have 3 decimal places. So in USD JPY and other JPY pairs, your pip value is right on the 2nd decimal place, while the 3rd decimal place is the pipette. So if USD JPY moves from 149.95 to 150.00, you can say that the price has moved up by 5 pips. And if it moves from 149.95 to 149.85, 0.80. In that case, we can say that the price has dropped by 15 pips. So that is exactly how you calculate your pips. If we are to include the pipettes, let's say the price moves from 149.956 to 150.057. In that case, we can say that the price has moved 10 pips, 1 pipette. And if the price drops from this 149.955 to maybe 149.702, in that case, we can say that the price has depreciated 25 pips, 3 pipettes. So that is exactly how you can calculate your pips. It is as simple as that. It is no big deal.